Hey guys, Christian, make more videos again. In this video, we're going to be installing puddle lights in your Tesla. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, I have the beautiful Tesla Model S right here. The two doors are ready for this mod, and I'm going to turn off the garage light and show you what the before looks like. Not bad, not horrible, just a puddle light, and especially in the back right here, there's nothing. No lights whatsoever for the puddle light, but that's okay. We're gonna change that. We're gonna replace that one. We're gonna install that one with the secret wire that's in there, and it's gonna look like this. Literally took me 5 minutes. I'm not even kidding you. I'm so excited to show it to you. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's incredibly sharp as well, guys. The camera does not do justice. And then we go back here. Look at that. So incredibly sharp. Best 5-minute mod. Took me a minute for that one and 4 minutes for this one. Easiest mod, let's get to it. This is literally what you're gonna need. Here's the actual box that came from Amazon. It came with 4 of these lights. You're gonna have 2 left and 2 right. So make sure you're putting the right ones on the right side and then L, as you can see, on the left side. So these 2 are gonna go on these 2 doors, the left side. Then what you're gonna need is also an X-Acto knife for the second door and a flashlight, and literally that's it. You might not even require the flashlight, so let's actually get started. And if you want a piece of rag, to keep your shirt clean, that's up to you. Let's install this bad boy into the first one. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna open the door right here. And the puddle lights are gonna be on the bottom of the vehicle, as you can see right here. So I'm gonna set this camera up and show you exactly what I'm doing. All right, first thing first, what you're gonna wanna do is basically get the same screwdriver that they give you and just basically start prying on the side right here. There's only one side that you can pry from, and basically pull it out and you're good to go. Look at that. Next, you're gonna wanna get the same screwdriver and basically just unclip this guy right here and slowly just take it out. There we go, like so. Now you're ready to put the new one in. It's literally as simple as just plugging it in. There we go, and you can already see the light has turned on, and pushing the wire through, and then putting this in the correct orientation. Make sure that the Tesla logo is in the correct orientation. Clip it in place and you're done. That's it. Go, there we have the Tesla logo ready to go. And now we're on to the next one. Now for the rear door, there's 2 options that's gonna happen. Basically, either you already have puddle lights and you just do the exact same thing you did in the front door into the back door, or option 2, if you don't have puddle lights, this is what you're gonna wanna do. It takes 4 minutes, let's get to it. And for the second part, this is all you're gonna need: a flashlight, an X-Acto knife, and the actual LED light. And let's get to the bottom and see what we're looking at. So as you can see right here, there is a cutout. However, it is completely sealed off, but there's a secret wire in there that Tesla uses to connect the actual puddle lights. Obviously, this vehicle did not come equipped with a lighting package. I believe that was what it was called, or some kind of premium package essentially that included puddle lamps on the rear door, but it doesn't have it. But we're gonna fix that right now. Now you may or may not have to do this, but all you do is basically take off this grill plate right here. Comes off super easy, look at that. And I place this down safely somewhere. And then now you have access to this hole right here. The next step, you're gonna take your X-Acto knife and make a hole right here, and you just use the outline of the hard plastic to make a small hole that will fit the LED in it. As you can see, I'm just cutting it. All it is this fake, leather, pleather, whatever you wanna call it. Don't worry, you won't damage anything. There we go, just basically take it off, and the last part right here. There we go. You take this leather off and you're good to go. Now I can't really show you this part, however, you take your flashlight in here and you basically reach in there to grab the actual ready to go plug and play cable that's already in there. And you can use this hole right here to get better access to grabbing it, and you can also use this hole, but a flashlight will definitely help find it. And I can see it right now actually. And so I'll do my best to grabbing it and taking it out. Almost have it. There we have it, look at that. Once that secret wire has come out, the process is the exact same. Plug it in, make sure it turns on. As you can see, it's already on. It always has power to it. Plug it in all the way, and then put it in the right orientation as you're putting it back in. Look at that. There's only one way to go in, and oh my gosh, I'm looking at it right now. It's beautiful. Tesla logo is already here. Look at this, super sharp. Now we're gonna put this back on, and it's as simple as clipping it back on. and you're good to go. The logo is completely done, and now you have puddle lamps when you did not have it before. Okay, so I close the garage door. Let's take a look at how it looks. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And the best part, even the back door now has puddle lights, even though it did not have it before. And the best part about these is that the camera does not do justice, guys, but it is so crisp. I'm not even kidding. It's so crisp and clear. And the white just looks so white because of the projector lens that's in there. Stunning quality. And then, like I said, the absolute best part for me, and maybe in your case as well, if you didn't have puddle lights before in the back, now you have them. You have them right here, and then also on the right side. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, guys. Literally would take you 5 minutes to install these puddle lights. I'll leave the links in the description below for these puddle lights. They have different colors, including red and also blue, I believe. And of course, the nice white light. But I'm absolutely loving them, and I know you will love it. Now that we installed puddle lights in this video, in the next video, we're going to install these bad boys right here. That itself is easy as well. So that's pretty much for this video. Catch you in the next video. Keep you saying thanks for watching and peace. And that is the cost of owning a Tesla versus if I purchased something else for the same amount of money. Now, this is a pre-owned one-owner Tesla, so I didn't pay for the huge depreciation curve that, comes with owning a brand new vehicle. However, I still paid a pretty good penny for a vehicle that is from 2017.